Welcome to Desert Highlands 782. This 6,500 square foot home features 4 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, a resort style pool, and views of not only Pinnacle Peak, but also city lights. Come along as I take you on a video tour, but know that this video just won't do it justice. You have to see it for yourself. Rising out of the Sonoran Desert floor to an elevation of 3,100 feet, Pinnacle Peak's distinctive shape is recognizable from more than 25 miles away, and the private golf community of Desert Highlands is tucked right into the peak's southern base. The home I'm going to show you today sits just under this iconic Scottsdale landmark with views of the surrounding desert and evening city lights. This luxury home showcases Pueblo Revival style architecture with flat roofs, parapeted walls, roof jacks, gently rounded edges, and stucco cladding. Projecting vigas, thick, round roof beams are a hallmark of this classic style with roots in southwestern Native American culture. While the architecture gives a nod to cultural design of the past, this home features all the modern amenities today's luxury buyer expects. As you enter this lovely home, you're immediately drawn outside through 24-foot pocketing and sliding doors. In Arizona, we're fortunate to be able to enjoy the outdoors year-round. In the winter, you can sit outside on this large covered patio and be warmed by the fireplace. In the summertime, you can cool off with this resort-style pool. The master bedroom features a fireplace and a generous-sized balcony. And the master bath has his and her closets as well as his and her water closets. This home features 3 fabulous guest rooms, all with ensuite baths and walk-in closets, perfect for hosting all those out-of-state guests. This kitchen is a cook's dream with a 48-inch Wolf range with double ovens, a French top, and a pot filler. There are 2 sinks, a dishwasher, full-size fridge, full-size freezer, and an ice maker. And don't forget the butler's pantry with a full sink, a warming drawer, and a dishwasher. The family room flows effortlessly from the kitchen, perfect for gathering everyone together, and is just steps away from the 1,000-bottle wine cellar.